So we got another review. I'm about to call him right now. He's not gonna do a live video, but he will speak about it. I just wanted to get your review and your testimonial on your experience you had with the oral detox products.
I didn't expect it to be as serious as it was. Yesterday I did it. I feel like I did it the wrong way because I rushed and I didn't give it enough time to actually sit and do its job. Today I let it sit for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Did an oil pull. Next thing you know, I started to feel the effects. Probably hit me about a half hour, 45 minutes later. I started to feel a little bit of extra tingling. I was like, okay, something's happening. Next thing you know, I'm driving in the car. I'm like, oh, I feel something in my mouth. So I'm like, oh, I pulled over. I had to see it for myself. Took a couple pictures. And I'm like, oh man, this is serious. Like, in all honesty, I feel like I still got something coming out. It's still working. I feel like it's doing its work right now. Like, you know, like my mouth feels. I don't want to say it's like a burning sensation because it's not like it's on fire. It feels like I use mouthwash to the 10th power. My mouth feels fresh, it feels clean. My teeth even look better. Like, you know, I feel like it was all around. Like it just did what it needed to do. Like
a very clean feeling. Long story short.
Absolutely.
It's the cleanest your mouth has ever felt since next to going to the dentist.
Yeah, in a long time. Like I feel, like in all honesty, I would say it's more than a cleaning. I feel like it's almost like somewhat of a fresh start. Like almost like it got down to parts that I didn't even know actually had sensation anymore in my teeth. Like it actually penetrated down. The oil pull was definitely a better option. I don't know if I'll do a whole 20 minutes next time.
Yeah, I ain't do 20 minutes. I recommend people to do like 5 minutes tops.
All right.
You know what I mean? So how I recommend for people to do it is to I'll tell them, put like 2-3 tubes across your toothbrush, brush your teeth with it. After you get done brushing your teeth with it, right? Begin the oil pull with the same solution and saliva that's in your mouth, right? Don't spit nothing out. You know how you spit, your toothpaste and saliva out after you get done brushing your teeth. Don't spit nothing out. After you get done brushing your teeth with it, just take the toothbrush out and then begin the oil pull for about like 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then spit it out. You did like 20, so.
and I didn't even put it on the toothpaste. I didn't even put it on the toothbrush. I actually literally just dropped like a dropper and some change into my mouth, and I just let that sit in my mouth.
Okay.
So I know it was probably super concentrated. That's probably why I'm feeling extra fresh.
Yeah.
But all around, like I had my wife smell my breath, and I'm like, what does it smell like? She was like, it doesn't smell bad or it doesn't smell good. It's like it's a neutral feeling. It's like it's not minty. It's kind of hard to explain. Like it's like it wants to be a minty, but it's not. It's like it's just clean.
Clean. That's the best word to describe it. Best way to describe it. So all the different people online, from me to my daughter to different customers and everything that everybody said when you see them holding the parasites and showing the parasites, fair to say that it's the truth, right? Like everything that you see online.
It's a fresh start. Like I feel like it's basically like I have new gums in my mouth. New gums, like it feels all good. Like it got in there. I can feel it. Like I can feel it almost at the root of my teeth as well. Like it's actually in there. It did its job. For sure.
Once you eat the host, you become the host. You eat the animals with the parasites are going to transfer to you. They live inside of every living, being, every living thing, whether it's an animal, a human, or whatever. So we eat the animals, we become, the parasites are now in us. Long story short, it's real simple. It's not complicated at all. The sooner people know that, the sooner they'll understand. And the sooner they'll stop eating meat and start detoxifying on a daily basis.
To come see you for that, when you're going to stock up on the dandelion root and oil oregano. Well,
we was waiting for some more herbs to come in so I could finalize it. The herbs came in actually yesterday. So, that I'll be done over this weekend sometime. You can swing back down Monday and then we'll be all right.
All right, for sure. For sure, I'll be down there.
All right, appreciate you.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you.
All right, brother, thanks.